All right, the last one is going to be our GIF. So after they take the picture, the program will automatically generate a GIF. So same process, file, make a copy. I'm going to label this as GIF before I forget. GIF. And then the size on this is actually going to be 720 by 720. Go ahead and take a note of that. And same exact process, we're going to use the exact same design elements. And with this one, we're going to have the top where the white part is, we're going to have right up there the part where the image is going to go. So that part we need to have transparent. We'll get rid of that. Grab these elements and bring those down here. Set this. Let me grab this confetti out of the way. Add some down here. Then you could even duplicate it all the way across if you wanted to. Perfect. And then the date. Hide it in there or something. All right, so it looks like I'm done. I'll probably make these a little bit bigger because I can't even see it, and then bring it forward because position. Yeah. Let's send these backwards. What's behind the balloons? It's getting a little chaotic. You could see how it can get really chaotic real quick with all these layers. So just keep that in mind. Or we could also go bigger with the border. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks better. All right, so I'm done with my GIF. This is the main important thing that you do need to remember for the GIF. Yes, we're going to hit share download, but you have to click this transparent backdrop because we want to make sure that this white part is where the photo is going to lay. So you're essentially just saving this little bottom border. Okay, so let's hit download. Now that we're done, we're ready to go to our DSLR booth.